Okay, it's the next day, and I have it on the helmet now. It's all charged up. Now I just got to do the final tweaks, with it being, I can adjust the lens here, the horizon, right? However, I sit on the motorcycle and stuff, I got to see what, take a couple different videos to see how it comes out and adjust this. I could tilt this too. I have to take it off and unscrew the back. And then inside the helmet, and I don't know if you can see this. Let's see here. There's the mic. Like I said, I put this adapter in here so it runs the mic and the USB so I could charge it later. So, and I cut a little mark out of my side pad here and snaked the lines in and taped them all in. So I got the USB sitting right there so I can plug it in afterward. And the mic is right here. Snaked it all down, and I ran all the wires to the top of my helmet, got it all taped up underneath all the pads. Alright, so now I'm gonna go get it back on the bike and take some videos of it, and I'll be back. 4K ultra high def at 30 frames per second. If you could hear this over my bike. So we're out on the road here. I don't know how the sound is coming across. It's a little chilly, brisk day today. Alright. Woo! Maybe I should have put my boots on, my feet are cold. Alright, I'm at 2.7K at 60 frames per second now. No, I can always play around with the audio. I don't know if you can hear anything over that. My bike is a little loud. Nice, beautiful day. A little chilly. All right, 2.7K at 30 frames per second. All right. All right, 2.7K at 30 frames per second. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Can you hear me now? 1080p at 60 frames per second. Is that all you're going to do? Is the next one going to be 1080p at 30? Yeah. I don't think I was going to do... Well, no, I'm just doing it for the video, you know. Nope, nobody shoots at 720, right? So, yeah, so, yeah. Watch out, big pothole. .1080p at 30 frames per second. Oh, yeah. Mac, mac, mac. Okay, 4K, ultra high definition, 30 frames per second. Medium bit rate. We lowered the bit rate because it seemed to be eating up the card real fast, so we'll see. That's correct. I changed the volume too, also down to 2 on this. Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight. I gotta learn to talk a little bit lower instead of yelling. .7K, 60 frames per second, medium bit rate. Okay, ready? Yeah. Ready? How fast can you go? We don't know how fast you are. .7K, 30 frames per second, medium bit rate. My sockies are cold. Yep. Yeah, well, I shut my visor, but like in the dead summer, I will crack it. .1080p, 60 frames per second. All right. Okay, 1080p, 30 frames per second, medium bitrate. Car coming. There's a lot of potholes there. Yeah.